16 now we're live, and now let's get going. And we're in Texas. There's a lot of things. Where's the dino here? Where's the dino? I hope you didn't saw it yet.
Okay, thank you.
There's another one. Wait, no, this is the dinosaur place and this is the bone. Where they keep dinosaurs. Oh! Puppy, there's a bone and a dinosaur one.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's two different ways. Dalilo, next to these two, there's a laboratory with science and that's a robotic thing. Oh, I want to get one. Well, it's only for humans. Yeah. I'm a human. Only people. Like Papa. Well, I'm a people too. I'm Grandpa.
Is that what you said?
I'm Grandpa. I can go to the inventory. Let me go to the inventory. Wait, you don't know where the inventory is. This is not the inventory. Get out.
Check to see if on the other side if there's any ketchup.
What do you mean? Look.
No, all right, give it to me. Come on.
Oh, I wanted lemonade. Can I get a drink instead of the ice cream? Sorry, sir, we're out of ketchup. Let me go and change that. Can I get a drink? Papa, can I get a drink instead of ice cream? I want ice cream.
No, we're gonna eat first what we have here.
Okay, yeah.
Let's go outside.
But we need to tell Carlos.
Well, let's go outside and get another table.
Papa, I don't want to go outside, pero we have to tell Padrino. I don't want to go outside.
Lettuce and tomato.
Over there.
Excuse me, sorry.
So they have pizza. I'll take her.
Okay,
Papá,
let's
ya le dije que vamos a comer afuera.
Okay, let's go. This is not next.
I think we just stay in line though, right?
Oh my! My map is struggling. Papa! Man, it's really sunny outside. Okay, we're safe now. Safe. There. Oh, my bad.
This way, you guys. Just sit over here. Let me sit on that side, please. Huh?
Papa, can I grab a fry? Can I sit here? Can I sit
Yeah,
here?
you sit here then.
Oh, no. You guys don't eat. Papa, can I eat? No.
Danilo, one for you.
Where's my food?
Where's your what?
Papa,
Huh?
ain't they eating?
Yeah, you guys can eat now. A ver. Izan, here. Here's one chicken tender for you. Let me
What
grab
about
mine.
the fries?
You can have my fries. I don't want my fries. Let me go get Carlos. You guys stay here and eat, okay?
Thank you.
Wait, I need water.
There is no one. Oh.
Babe, I kind of need water.
Wait.
Hey guys.
You know, you're right. Opening this. They
Yeah.
need water.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me get situated here.
Then I said, "Así, papá."
Yeah, he's coming.
Uncle, I need water. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, there goes the menu.
Okay. A ver, Danielito, let me scoot up your chair.
Papa, it's right here.
You already got a hold of them?
Yeah.
Are they close?
The last thing they said they were
Puppy, look.
15
Can we
minutes
go
away.
there?
Oh, okay.
That was like 5-10 minutes ago. They should be
Okay.
on the way. Thank you, Jeremy. I'm gonna sit right here, okay?
Oh, you
Oh,
got it?
this chair is this table's wobbly.
Maybe Wabi?
So they're wobbly?
Yeah.
Papa, what in the heck did you order?
A burger.
A burger.
But how are you gonna put the ingredients?
I gotta fold them up.
So here you start from the top and work your way down.
Eat your chicken.
Put it right here, Izan. Put it over here. Okay.
So how is your tia related to you? I mean, obviously she's a tia, but is it on your mom or your dad's side?
On my mom's side. Oops. Déjalo, tío.
Is that one you put organized in the fridge?
Oh, man.
It's so
Yeah,
yummy.
muévete para acá si quieres, ¿sabes?
Mhm.
It's because the wind was blowing our neck. It's
Here's some more. Look.
¿A qué hora llega?
Soon. They're pretty good. I would have told you we could go like,
Somebody's gonna tap the bottle.
yeah, on the other side of it there's a Hooters. Pero dice que no hace poco they're rebuilding.
Look.
It caught on fire. So it didn't burn down the kitchen.
I need a grab a piece of the chicken. Over? Oh,
Wait a minute, aren't you eating chicken too?
you're a different type. Wait, pero those are wings.
no Cheetos yet until you finish your chicken. Grab some hot ones. Carlos, grab some hot ones. Yeah, that's enough.
So I feel too. I didn't know it was just 2 beef. I thought it was like 1 beef.
Papa, I can see something moving.
Is this building named after Ross Perot?
Yeah, I've been here a few times with the department that I work for. They had it. Here in downtown, the other day I was driving through there, and I saw they have the autonomous robots that deliver food. Right after the robot thing.
Oh, like the little boxes that have wheels on the bottom, and they have.
Yeah, I have those too.
I haven't seen them. I don't know if they're in Chicago. They're coming right out.
Oh, I see something. It's only them two. Where?
Hey,
Is it not?
sorry, we were hungry.
No, it's okay. We ate before we came.
Hi, how are you? Carlos, nice to meet you.
It's my cousin.
Name. Name.
Salud.
We don't fight.
You guys say hi?
Hi.
Hi. You guys haven't gone inside yet?
We bought the tickets, but the kids got hungry right away because they smelled the food. They hadn't eaten real well in the morning. So they're just finishing up. You
Oh,
guys
that's
want to
a
buy
map.
the tickets?
Huh?
You guys want to buy the tickets? And
We already got them.
Oh, you got them? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, they're just online. Because I went here with, do you know Karina? My cousin from Panama. She, you know, Fanny? I think it's one of her nieces.
Okay.
Anyway, they came. And so I brought her here. It was just the two of us.
Okay.
Yeah. But it was cool.
We're almost done.
No, you're no rush.
You done?
Can I eat my goldfish now? I'm done. Because I can see it.
Yeah, it's just the stairs.
We're gonna
It's
open
kind of
the chips
scary
and
because
then I'll get them
that's
open.
Papa, I'm done.
You done? Okay, you can open up the goldfish. Let me have your tray. Don't open it up all the way.
You can't take food in there. So you're gonna have to wait till you get it on the way out. Because the line is really long right now.
I know we had asked you yesterday. You can wait, okay? I know you can't, but I didn't know you can't take food into the museum. You have to eat it in the food court. And I don't want you to eat it fast, so we'll get it on the way out.
How about you guys over here?
Papa?
Everything good? You okay? Last but not least, table over here. How you guys doing over here?
Great.
Everyone's
Thank
food
you.
good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? I'll take it. Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
there you go.
Hey, y'all have fun today. If you need anything else, let me know, okay?
Will do. Thank you.
How come your mom didn't come?
I think I had invited her. Because I told her, I was like, why don't we go? And I was going to suggest, like, me take the kids so you can get a little break if you were just looking to relax. And then we called you, para ver qué iban a hacer. And that's when you told us that you guys were here. I was like, okay, I guess we were thinking the same thing. It's a cool place, though. It's 4 stories. Yeah.
Wait, how did you know this place?
I've been here before. So I think like the first level has to do with like planets. And then one level I think is all like animals and nature, I think. The 4th one I think is like the human body, todo. And I can't remember what the 3rd one is.
It's the technology one with the
Oh
robots.
yeah, that's probably it. Yeah, but it's cool because they have like I was thinking of you guys because they have activities like hands-on stuff that you can do. So. I don't know if they changed the exhibits.
Yo los espero que en una mesa.
You can tell.
What's today? Huh?
How old are you turning?
He's 6 right now, and this is his birthday.
He's warm.
I didn't know that. Today? Yeah.
Yeah, it was his birthday today. That's definitely going to the police.
Oh, 7? 6? 1? 6? He believed you when he said he was when you said he was 1. That does not look like a man's old. guys leave? You leave tomorrow?
In the morning,
Okay. Are you guys stopping again?
I think we might. Yeah, it depends on the kids. If it was up to me, I would just keep going. But,
Yeah.
we'll see if the kids.
Straight? Is it like 14 hours? 18?
14.
14?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good stop.
Probably stop. But I gotta stop to get gas and eat. Then you
It
gotta
turns
stop
into
to
like
get
18, I think. Yeah.
Yep, it's very fun.
Uh-uh.
Well, the first year I did it, man, I just stopped to get gas. That was a long drive. I had about 2 monster drinks, the big cans. Remember I got there and I was like,
My map.
Because you do waste a lot of time at stops. You don't. It doesn't feel like it.
you have a Buc-ee's.
Yeah. Yeah. Every
But
time.
we always stop at Buc-ee's. Just
You have to.
leaving here.
You
Yeah, we're
have
not even
to.
45 minutes into the stop, into the drive, and you waste an hour and a half there, 2 hours.
Yeah. Even when we drive to Houston, it's only supposed to be like 4 hours, 3. 3? Buc-ee's makes it like a good 4 or 5.
They have one in Missouri. It's not a Buc-ee's. I forget what it's called, but it's just like Buc-ee's, except not as big. The restrooms are like pretty good.
Oh my God, Jimmy, come here.
I can't remember.
I get like
They
3
have
hundred a
everything
day.
inside of their own brand. The restrooms are more high tech.
What? Yeah, right.
You don't know, ask for them.
It's not a big stuff. Yeah, but not here. It depends. If it's white people, I'm not gonna watch them all the time. I gotta think.
Unless they're like certain, they get changed up.
No, unless they're like, in case when there's like white people, it's like not here to lie, but they're.
Like, hold you up right now.
I'm not Drake. Probably. East of. Huh?
Now you gotta go to the back. That's gonna be the husband. That's very common here too.
Remember that day
It's just mainstream. It's not like actual like, put together.
my balance?
I get that when I'm 18.
Is it on? The GoPro? You know? No?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
on.
it's the red thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It means that I'm
But you're
recording.
recording up there. You're gonna face it down
Yeah, I said you're recording up there. Oh.
because it's recording straight up.
Oh,
Give it, Jimmy.
You gotta loosen it up probably.
But he walks. It's better that it points up though.
Yeah.
No?
I don't know. I rarely look at his stuff. I mean, just
I was
repost it.
telling them that I'm glad you came because I thought we were gonna be 2 husbands walking around.
Yeah, today's day and age, probably.
I know it's pretty normal nowadays. So.
Yeah. My dad was looking at it you guys yesterday for pickleball, and he was like, "No, I feel like this color." He liked a certain one because of the colors, and he's like, "No, I feel like this is gonna give us the wrong impression."
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
that's the case, man. I'm the husband.
Was he the one that I remember we went to a party, I don't know if it was with you guys, but it was with your cousins who vivían aquí a long time ago with a big backyard. My mom and I were trying to remember if it was the same, if it was you guys.
Remember where it was at? Duncanville.
I think so.
Oh, maybe it was Adrian's house.
I just remember we got there and I was like, whoa, the yard was really big.
Well, both
Soko and Adrian.
Adrian and Soko have a huge backyard.
I don't even remember what it was for.
It probably was, yeah.
But it's Cheetos, man. Your name. See up. You got something there? I'm serious. Yes, you got like like a dead fly under there. I mean, look up like this. Look, I'll sit over here. Hey, you got something sticking out of your neck, man.